Hello friends, I am Vinod Kenny. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Vinod Kenny TV repair number 1 in India. The TV I got for repair is VU 43 PM. Standby light comes for fraction of second and goes off. Let's open the TV to check what is the problem and how we can fix this fault. All the voltages going to microprocessor and eMMC IC were found okay. Now the faulty area is around microprocessor and eMMC IC. While checking diode test reading, I found data 6 pin of eMMC IC was shorted to ground. Now I am removing eMMC IC to check whether eMMC IC is short or ball of data 6 pin is short. eMMC IC data 6 pin is short with ground and this IC needs to be replaced. Now I am going to write OK data into new eMMC IC. Now the OK data is written into this IC. Now I am fixing eMMC IC on the motherboard. Diode test reading of data pin is now okay. Now this 43-inch VU TV is okay. Smart work done by the smart men. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Subscribe my channel to get latest update on TV repair.